Alright, so today we have the Glock 21, Gen 4, and 45 ACP. Now, I've never shot this gun. I've only put 10 out of, I don't know, let's see, how many does it hold? It'll hold 13 plus 1. So I'm only putting 10, and I'm going to try to see if I can hit that target out there. Right here, and I don't know if you can see any of that or not, but let's see if I can hit anything with it. Alright. So I'm shooting to the left a little bit. All right. I'm at 21 feet. Let's see what we did. Alright, so what do I count? I count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Alright, well, we at least got them all on the paper. Alright. Okay, Glock 21, Gen 4, and 45 ACP. Well, I don't know if you can see that, but boy, those are full metal jackets, but they still rip the yard up. Alright, that's it for today.